Ready to turn your unwanted stuff into cold, hard cash. First, head to eBay.com and create an account if you don't already have one, making sure to choose a username that reflects your brand. Next, grab the item you want to sell and take some high-quality photos in good lighting. Clear pictures are crucial for attracting buyers. Now, click Sell and start crafting your listing with a descriptive title that includes keywords people will actually search for, and a detailed description highlighting the item's features, condition, and any flaws. Time for pricing strategy. Research similar items to understand the market value and decide if you want to use buy it now for a fixed price, or an auction to spark bidding wars. Choose your shipping method. You can offer calculated shipping, where eBay determines the cost based on the buyer's location, or a flat rate. Properly package your item to prevent damage during shipping. Purchase and print your shipping label directly from eBay for discounted rates and convenient tracking. Once your item sells, ship it promptly and provide the tracking number to your buyer. This makes the process very transparent. Lastly, encourage buyers to leave feedback to build your reputation as a reliable seller. This will help you sell more items in the future.